Hello everyone, welcome to our channel dedicated to helping you live a healthy and happy life. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that affects all of us, sleep. We will explore the science behind sleep, common sleep problems, and practical tips to help you sleep better and feel more refreshed. Sleep is super important for our well-being. It helps our bodies and mind stay healthy. There are different stages of sleep that impact how we feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health. Now, let's talk about some common sleep problems. Many people struggle with things like trouble falling asleep, insomnia, breathing difficulties during sleep, sleep apnea, or restless legs that keep them awake. We will explain the symptoms of this problem and share effective treatments. Here are some easy tips to help you sleep better. First, create a sleep-friendly environment by making your bedroom comfortable, dark, and quiet. Establish a bedtime routine to signal your body it's time to sleep. Try to avoid things that disrupt sleep like caffeine, alcohol, and too much screen time before bed. Relaxation techniques can also help you unwind and prepare for sleep. Simple things like deep breathing exercise, relaxing your muscles from head to toe, or listening to a guided meditation can make a big difference. If you are looking for natural sleep aids, there are a few options. Herbal teas like chamomile or lavender can be soothing. Essential oils such as lavender or chamomile oil can help create a calm atmosphere. You may also consider melatonin supplements, but it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional first. By understanding the science of sleep and trying out these easy tips, you can improve your sleep quality and feel more energized. Remember, sleep is essential, not just a luxury. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content.